In this video, I'm going to show you how you can track your YouTube SEO and your Google SEO keywords in a centralized area, and you don't need to spend mounds and mounds of money to do this, and you certainly don't need to be tech savvy either. In fact, you barely need to know anything in order to track your YouTube SEO and your Google SEO. So if that's something that you're interested in, stay tuned. So the software that we're going to be using today is a software called Videly, and if you've never heard of Videly, Videly is the cloud-based version of Video Marketing Blaster, and basically it's an video SEO software that allows you to instantly find untapped buyer intent keywords which have low competition and decent search volume, which basically means if you apply all the SEO in that this software generates for you, you will probably, and I've proved over and over, that you will get the number 1, number 2, or number 3 rankings on Google and YouTube, or even both. In fact, I've actually used Videly to dominate the entirety of Google video tab pages, which of course means you beat all your competition, you get seen by your customers, and you increase the chances of getting a phone call, getting an email, or generating a lead and even a sale for your business. If we're going to compare it to the physical world when it comes to advertising or SEO or whatever you want to call it, it's like a motorway banner but on steroids and super focused. Okay, so applying video SEO using this software is an absolute no-brainer for any business, and I actually have a local business overnight ranking course that you can find in the description below. Go ahead and enroll. It takes less than an hour to complete the course, and by the end of it you're going to be a video SEO wizard. With that being said, let's go ahead and see how we can track our YouTube SEO and our Google SEO. So in Videly, I'm going to jump over to Rank Tracker, and as you can see, we have 3 snapshots of information. We've got the YouTube top rankings, Google top rankings, and video views, and then below we have video. So I'm just going to go ahead and do add video. Now in my course, I actually showed you a live case study where I ranked for this keyword right here. So I'm just going to jump to Google and press enter. Okay, so I'm going to go to the video tab, and you can see my video right here, Marty Englander, that's my name, is ranking number 1 on Google. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this URL and I'm going to jump back into the software and paste that in like so. And of course the keyword is this, but I also want to see how I'm doing for plumbing services, Salford, and even 24-hour plumbing services, because it's important when you're ranking for one keyword, you're not just ranking for that, you're going to be ranking for numerous other things as well, especially if you apply the methods that I show in my overnight ranking course. Okay, and then plumbing services. Okay, and then I want to see where I'm ranking on YouTube and Google. Okay, and YouTube stats, why not, although I'm not that bothered about likes, comments, and views. Now I'm also going to say, hey, how often do I want the software to update? Well, you know what, let's just do it every 20 hours. Google rank, again, let's do it every 2 days, and YouTube stats, let's just do it every 48 hours. Okay, now the reason I'm not too fussed about like, comments, and views for this particular video is because for this sort of search term, people are unlikely to actually watch the video. They're more likely just to see the link in the description, click it, and contact us, because that's what this video SEO is all about. So I'm just going to go ahead and do track my video, and now what it's doing, it's collating all the information, and that was basically instant. Okay, so that video is currently ranking number 1 on YouTube, and what this software will do is every single however long that we set it, it's going to be updating it in the background for you. So when you log in, you can actually see that it's just going to be updating. And there you have it, and you can literally group the keywords by wherever. So if you're ranking your plumbing business, you can rank it in, you know, just 24-hour plumbing services or what's not, and it will categorize it so it doesn't overload your sensors. But overall, this is ultimately how you do it. If you click on the icon here, you can duplicate it, update statistics, or even edit the video just like so if you want to make additional edits. And that is how you can track your YouTube SEO and your Google SEO keyword. Now, in the next video, if you're a digital agency or someone who offers marketing or video SEO services to people, you're going to love it, because I'm going to show you how you can very easily and quickly at the click of a button generate a video SEO report without needing to do much work. So if you're interested, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, ask me any questions regarding this software. I will be sure to reply in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.